Hey, Alex here from Bevelish Creations. I'm finishing up this cabinet right now for my office and I already have the doors cut to size. So now I'm getting ready to drill the 35mm holes for these Blum inset hinges. So I figured I'd take this opportunity to show you guys how to locate and cut those holes using Rockler's Jigget concealed hinge drilling system. So if we take a look at the specs on this hinge, the diagram shows that the cup needs to be 13mm deep. So that's where we're going to have to set the drill bit to. And then let's tighten the stop collar to lock it in place. And this other diagram indicates that the distance between the hole and the edge needs to be 5mm. So that's the configuration I'm going to use for my template. Just be sure to check the specs on your hinge before setting up your template. So now over on the door, I'm going to start marking out the center line for the cup. For this, I normally make the mark about 3 inches from the top and bottom edges of the door. And then I'll just take the templates and align them to those lines and lock them in place by tightening the knobs. And now all we have to do is align the drill guide over the template and get the holes drilled. So yeah, it's that easy. Once I've got both pockets drilled, I'm going to use a square to help align the hinges, and then I'll pre-drill before attaching the hardware to the doors with screws. So once the hinges are attached to the doors, let's go back to the spec sheet to reference this diagram to get all the necessary dimensions for marking and pre-drilling the holes on the cabinet side to attach the mounting plates. And finally, we'll snap the two sides together and the door is done. So as you can see, this jig makes it really easy to locate and drill the pockets for these European style hinges. Also, I think the biggest advantage to using this jig is that you only need to set it up once when you need to install multiple doors of the same size for a project like kitchen cabinets. So head on over to your local Rockler store or their website and pick one up for your project. Once again, I'm Alex from Bevelish Creations. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.